black drum sleigh ride. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Let's do this. There you go. You can see him. Oh! Black drum. Hold that sucker up. I gotta get a picture of that.
Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. Sometimes you just gotta.
Oh, jeez.
Oh God.
There we go.
What you need.
Everybody, it's a beautiful morning out here at Matlacha. I launched at the community park about 20 minutes ago. Came around the island. I'm just underneath the little bridge here, and there's bait everywhere. I got ladyfish here, and then there's 2 tarpon that I saw. I don't know where they are now, but there are a couple tarpon over here. I'm going to kind of see if I can play with for a little bit. It's November 9th. It's about 7 o'clock here. It's a beautiful Sunday. Yesterday was Veterans Day, so I'd like to thank all the veterans and everybody serving. Should be a beautiful day. Bird, you stay away from my bait, dumbass. Yeah, we're gonna see what we can do. I kind of have a mission today. One of Jennifer's aunts is down, and she said she wants fish. So I'm gonna try to get her some fish, and hopefully see if I can get her a sheephead, maybe a small black drum, redfish. I don't know. We'll see. Oh God! Oh God! Whoa! What's this? Whoa! What's this? This feels like maybe a drum. That might be a drum. Oh, I'm thinking. That might be a black drum. He's staying on the bottom. That might be a black drum. I don't know. Oh, my Lord. Look at the size of this catfish, hey. Holy crap. Whoa. That is a sail cat and a half. Wow. Look at the size of this sucker. Oh my God. Yeah. Now, if you're gonna catch a catfish, that's probably the size you want. Not that I want to catch a catfish, but at least it's fun. Alright, dude. Alright, chill out. We're gonna shake you off in a sec. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. Alright, dude. One more shake. Nope. One more. There you go. Oh. What's this? Hopefully he stays out of my anchor though, because I am anchored. Oh. This might be the black drum I was hoping for. This might be. Let's put a little more pressure. Oh yeah, that is. Oh, that's a good black drum. Oh yes. Hello. Hello, friend. Oh, that's a big black drum, people. Oh God. Oh, that is a big black drum. Oh yes. Hello, my friend. Oh, on the renegade rod. That's one thing that this rod is wonderful for. It's such a light rod. I feel every little thing on that tip. This is the biggest, oh, this might be my PB. Holy crap, people. Holy shoot balls. Oh, that is a very big black drum. That is a very, very big black drum. Oh, come on. Oof. Whew. Mama, you are not happy with me, buddy. I know. You moved me around on my anchor. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know. I know. You're not happy. I know. You are not happy at all. Oh, my Lord. That thing is enormous, people. Ah, you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Right there, baby. That is an enormous black drum. 27 and a half. We're gonna do a short video that I can put up on Facebook. Hey everybody, it's the Dip here. Guess what he just got today? 27 and a half, people. Look at this black drum. Look at that. 27 and a half. Beautiful, beautiful fish, man. I'm gonna let him go. Come on, people. Give me a call. Let's get out there. What I love is you don't need anything special to do this. I mean, I have a very expensive setup here, but you really don't need it, to be honest. I mean, this is probably my favorite rod to do this, just because that tip is so sensitive. Oh, there we go. Right there. Oh. Oh. Wow. That sucker hit hard for this size fish. This is a keeper mangrove, though. Yeah, we'll be taking this guy home. That's the kind of mangrove you want. Unless you go offshore and then you can get bigger ones, but for inshore, oh, except he's crapping everywhere. I hate when why do fish crap? Why do they crap on you? I mean, I know you're taking them out of their element and all of that, but really, do they have to crap on you? All right, so this guy is, well, he's 10. So he's minimum. That is the minimum you can take. I hate when I do that, guys. Sorry. I forget that camera's on. So that's a quality sheephead. Yep, that's a nice sheephead. That'll eat. That will eat. That'll definitely eat. Alright, so he is 13. So he's at least, yeah, he's 13. So he's a keeper. So we will take him home. I have a grouper on here, people. It's like in something, but when I let go, I definitely have a fish. Oh, it just came off. That definitely was a fish. A very crafty one at that. Thinking that might have been a grouper. Oh. Another black drum sleigh ride. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Come on. Oh my God, this is another strong fish. Oh. 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 Wow. These fish are so strong, dude. Oh, I gotta get off my anchor so I can pull them out. Get him away from that. Oh my God, that's a sheephead. That might be a sheephead, hey. No, it's a black drum. Okay. It's another big one. Another good sized drum. Oh yeah. That is another good sized drum, hey. Oh my God. Oh. That's not the same one, is it? Can't be. That can't be the same drum. Oh God. My arm is killing me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Whew. Oh my Lord. Let's go back over to my anchor. We'll get him measured, pictured and all that. I got another one. I got another one, people. That's a big fish. I got a beautiful rosette spoonbill over there. I got a nice crane there. I love this place. There's no better place in the world, man. You go from big ugly to beautiful. All within what? 100 yards? Oh, God. Beautiful, beautiful Matlacha, people. Yes, we've gotten ravaged by a couple hurricanes, but we're still alive, people. We are still alive. We are still alive and thriving. Look at this fish, man. Oh my God. I know. You're not happy. I know. You want to go back down to your hole. I know. And you know what? You're gonna. You're too big to keep it. Oh, I need a pliers. Oh. There we go. Ready? Oh, God. That's another big black drum, man. 26. He's definitely not the same fish. Do another little selfie video. Why not? All right, guys. The dip did it again. 26. 26 inches. Come on. You know you want one. You know you want one. Let's see what this is. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. Oh Lord. hope this is not another catfish. I'm thinking it's another big black drum. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, let's see if I can slow him down. Oh. 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 There's the leader. Yep, another black drum. Oh. Oh. He's gonna get me into this damn tree if I'm not careful here. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Shit balls. Oh. You are not playing fair, dude. You are not playing fair at all. Oh man. Come on, come on. Oh shit. Damn. Oh god, that one's still stuck. Oh shit. Dude, you are not playing fair at all. Shit. Holy shit. Damn it. Oh. Oh. God damn. Whew. Whew. What? Dude, man, you're killing me. You are killing me, dude. Oh, God. Come on, dude. Get up here. Come on. Get up here. Come on. Get your big head in the damn net. There you go. Oh, God. I hope I didn't break anything. I know, dude. I know. I did not get one. I did not get a size to bring home to eat today. But that's okay, because they are just so much fun. Oh, right there. See how big this dude is. He's another 26. It's 26 and a half. All right, people. This is number 3. Number 3 for the day. A little last minute. Oh, a little last minute. Big ugly. Right there. Look at this fish, people. This is 26 and a half. I don't know if you can hear him, but so much fun, people. So much fun. All right, I think it's time to go.